Hello, and welcome to a short presentation on enhancing playground safety and compliance with Cityworks inspections. Today, we will be focusing on our Parks Department with a demonstration scenario on playground inspections and the power of Cityworks to plan preventative tasks. Parks are a vibrant center of community life, providing safe spaces for recreation, relaxation, and social gatherings. Ensuring these playgrounds are safe and well-maintained is crucial, not just for community enjoyment, but also for meeting rigorous safety standards. This short demonstration will include a look at how Cityworks can be utilized by municipal parks departments for planning and completing playground inspections to meet safety compliance regulations and keep our communities safe. Here we are, logged into the Cityworks Respond web application. Immediately, I'm directed to a dashboard view. In this case, we're looking at a dashboard of our playground inspection program. In the first data table, I've got all my playgrounds listed out, and they're listed by last inspection date. You'll notice that my first two don't have an inspection date, indicating that it might be time for me to plan some preventative maintenance. In the table below, I can see my playgrounds that have been inspected within the last year, indicating that I do have two that need inspections. From my dashboard, I can easily select my asset and start creating an inspection. Let's go. The system has recognized the location and my asset and has provided me with templates relating to this asset. This is an inspection template for a playground. Let's create it and complete it. Once we've created our template, we can see the list of observations that has to be made while we are completing our inspection, as well as inspection details. At a high level, we've got things like our priority, our status, important dates, and the submission to field is important here. So let's make sure that we submit this to one of our workers that works in the parks. Our submit to and our submit to date has been populated. Let's go ahead and save this, and we'll complete our inspection on the native mobile application. Here we are now, logged into the Cityworks native mobile application, where our in-field workers can pick up their work activities and easily complete them from wherever. The native mobile application is available on and offline. Therefore, any changes made in a disconnected mode will be automatically saved to the device and application, and when a network connection is restored, we can sync those changes back up to the office, ensuring that we do not lose any of our work. From the map, we can pick up our work activities like our inspections, which we will complete today, work orders, and service requests. We can view geographic information from our map. If I zoom into my city park, I'll be able to see some of the assets that we're tracking. I have the ability to select assets using manual selection tools or even barcode tools. So if our assets in the field have barcodes, we can easily scan them directly from this application and start creating new work activities. We can open up our inspection directly from the map, but let's use our inbox where we have a nice, organized list view of our work activities. From here, I can open up my work activities. Today we're completing our park and playground inspection. And as I scroll to the bottom, we'll see our latest park playground inspection. We'll complete this inspection from top to bottom. Starting at the top, we've got our description. And in our description, we've got information like who this has been initiated by, its priority level, status, and assignments. We've also got our projected start date, which is today. We've got address information, location information, which is being pulled directly from our asset. We can open up our asset information, view our attributes, and create new work activities. Let's start completing our observations. On the observations sheet, we've got a list of observations to complete, which are yes or no answers. These could also be formatted as pass, fails, free-form response, or a list of options. In this case, we're completing a very simple form. The inspection templates are highly configurable based on your organization's needs. and the observations that are required on the individual assets to ensure that we are capturing the health and status of our assets. For our inspection today, I'm just going to go ahead and, for time's sake, start completing random observations on our playground. These inspection templates can be as detailed as your organization needs to ensure that we're capturing all the relevant information on the status of our asset. So let's go ahead and complete all of our observations. You'll notice that the last observation is highlighted red. This means that this information is required in order for us to close off this inspection. Let's go ahead, head back to our inspection. We can see now that 24 out of 24 of my observations have been completed. We can give this inspection a resolution. Therefore, if we have noticed that any repairs were required or replacements to assets were needed, we can always highlight this in the resolution section. Today, I'll ensure that our inspection was just completed. In the attachments section, I can open up any attachments that were provided here. Things like security forms, product documentation on our assets. This ensures that our in-field workers have all the relevant information for them to complete their work in a safe manner. We can even provide additional attachments from the field on our mobile application. This is important on our inspections to ensure that we're being held accountable and providing proof of the current status of our assets. I'm going to go ahead and just choose an existing photo from my library, and this will be attached to our inspection and ready for review by our supervisor. Finally, the inspection has the capability of including an e-signature. This holds our staff accountable for the inspection that was completed, and we can ensure the time and date that they were there. I'm going to go ahead and complete our inspection, and you'll notice at the top we have a notification indicating that changes have been made in our application and we are ready to sync back up to the office. So let's go ahead and sync up our changes, and we'll pick up the results in the office as our supervisor. Here we are, back in the office as a supervisor, reviewing the inspection details. On the observation panel is where we can see all our results have been submitted. In the inspection details, we can get information like our inspection date, our actual finish date, and a condition score that was generated based off of the observations that we made in our inspection. This condition score is out of 100, and that's a relatively good condition score. However, there might have been observations that we made in the field that indicate that operational maintenance is required. For example, we can see that there are broken support anchors. If I needed to, I could go ahead into the related work section and create a work order to rectify these issues that we indicated in the field. For today, I'm just going to go ahead and complete this inspection and save it. Now let's return to our dashboard and see how these changes have affected my dashboard. You'll notice we now have 9 playgrounds that have been inspected and only one that doesn't have a last inspected date. From here, as a supervisor, I can start the process of scheduling another inspection if needed. But you'll notice that our data is up to date on the dashboard, giving our supervisors transparency and up-to-date information for them to make decisions on their operational maintenance. This brings us to the end of today's demonstration. In today's demonstration, we illustrated how Cityworks can effectively streamline the management of playground inspections, a crucial aspect for ensuring public safety in municipal parks. Utilizing the Cityworks dashboards, we demonstrated the efficient scheduling of inspections based on asset attributes, ensuring a systemic approach to maintenance and regulatory compliance. We then transitioned to a practical application using the Cityworks native mobile application in the field. This highlighted how inspectors can conduct thorough and detailed observations directly on site, enabling real-time data capture that enhances accuracy and efficiency. This capability is particularly valuable for municipalities looking to improve responsiveness and ensure that playground equipment meets all the safety standards. Upon completing the inspection, we returned to Cityworks Respond where we reviewed the inspection results. Inspection results are critical as they inform the necessary follow-up actions, such as maintenance requests or other operational interventions. This step is integral to maintaining a proactive maintenance schedule that not only meets but exceeds municipal safety regulations. This demonstration showcased how municipalities can leverage Cityworks to enhance their playground safety programs, ensuring all playgrounds are not only fun but also safe environments for children. The integration of Cityworks across these functions exemplifies a seamless workflow that facilitates better decision-making and ensures compliance with safety standards, ultimately protecting the community and reducing liability risks. If you have any questions or would like to request a demonstration from our team, please reach out to your Esri Canada representative. Thank you and have a wonderful day.